Alright, so basically, it's actually wrong. The inside number here is the loop number or the bus number. So this one here is bus number 1, this shelf here, and it's shelf number 0. So the outside two numbers should match, and the inside two should match, and that again should leave you with the diamond port open. So to come up from this guy to my next shelf, which right now is powered off, so I have to figure out which side has the groove and try to plug it in. This one here, you can kind of see it's not the right groove. The groove needs to be there. So if I just grab the other end of the same cable, the groove is moved over on this side, so it should slide right in. Don't force it, whatever you do. It should just go right in and then click. And then this cable here is going to come up and it's going to go in the circle port above it. So if you look, I'm on the B side. That's this link control card here. Just plug this in. I'm coming up to the B side here and going to the inside. The other side, so now we have that one installed, you can do the A. So and if you notice this one here, the grooves are on the bottom. So you can try to slide this one in. It's not going to go. So grab the other end of the cable. Try again. These fiber cables out of the way. Try again. Slides right in and clicks. Shouldn't come back out. And then same thing up here. So this is the A side. There's the circle port. Go ahead and try it out. Goes in real easy. We're good to go. Once we do that, we go ahead and plug in the power. It will take a few seconds to come on. I don't know how well you can hear me, but they'll basically flash for a little while. And they'll have link lights, so that's what these blue ones are. So we are linked to the shelf below it. We're good there. We're just simply waiting for the shelf to come online. Sometimes this can take 2-3 minutes to sync up. There you go. So now, as you can see, they are shelf number 1 on bus number 1. So again, you can tell bus 1, bus 1, shelf 0, shelf 1. That's all there is to it.